Hello everyone, welcome to JuliaCon 2024. This is an international event, so every year JuliaCon alternates between Europe and the US. We are here today in the European version. We chose the PSV Stadium to host this wonderful event because Eindhoven is beating hard when it comes to technological evolutions. We have got over 20 speakers from around the Netherlands, Benelux and Germany. We have an attendance just short of 800 people, and we're standing on the shoulders of giants as we share, collaborate and connect with our peers in this field. Thank you for joining us here at the PSV Stadium.
Hi, my name is Rick. I work at ASML.
My name is Gary Mansouri. I'm with the Boeing Company.
Hi, I'm Viral Shah. I'm one of the creators of the Julia programming language.
We're here because we would like, as ASML, to be an active member of the data community in Eindhoven and around. We also see that Julia is becoming more and more important, and we'd like to learn from the community and also give back.
And it's been a very productive, passionate gathering, a lot of different backgrounds. Everything has really been positive.
Julia is increasingly becoming the language of high-performance embedded computing. And the idea is that you have these high-end applications, like the scanners that ASML is building, for example, that need to do tremendous amounts of computation deployed on the device in a factory floor. The fact that Julia is a single language that can be used to design the algorithms as well as deploy them is extremely powerful.